Welcome to the Demon Princess Show.
Well, hello there. I see you're starting dinner without me. Huh, it looks pretty tasty. But I don't know. How about something better? So, I have something delicious tonight. I got... Oh! What's this? Have you been so hungry you've been chewing on your napkin? Oh my goodness. You might want to keep that because I see that you're drooling too. Alright. Let me get your plate. And here's some wine. Alright, so what we have tonight is scallop potatoes made with some creamy sauce, some milk and some flour with some seasoning, and then layered with onions and cheese on about 3 or so layers, and then sprinkled on top with some parsley and other seasoning. Then we move on to the pasta salad with some carrots and more parsley and some other herbs and hot peppers as well, because I know you like things hot. Followed by a baked mashed potato with shredded cheese and sour cream with some seasoning on top. Well, enjoy.
Thank you. It was yum.